Hello, teacher.
Hello, hello, my dear Tommy. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. I see. Are you watching TV? Oh, I thought you were watching TV because I can hear a television in your background. Okay. Did you go to your extra classes today, Tommy? Did you have extra classes today?
No.
No, you didn't have. I see. Okay, so you were not busy today, honey. You're not
No.
too busy today. I see. Okay, so anyway, my dear, how's the weather today in Vietnam or in your place?
Vietnam.
Huh?
I'm in Vietnam.
Yes, I mean yes. I said, how's your weather? How's the weather in Vietnam?
Oh,
Honey, I can't hear you clearly.
it's, it's cold.
It's cold, yeah. Because, yeah. Okay, so anyway, are you ready for our lesson right now? Our lesson
Yes.
for today?
Yes.
Yes? Are you eating?
Yes.
What are you eating?
No. No. Not.
Rice?
No. No.
Nuts?
Yes.
Nuts? Ah,
Yes.
wow, that's very yummy. I like nuts. It's mixed nuts, honey. Those are
No.
mixed. Ah, not mixed. Ah, not mixed. I see. But it's it comes with different nuts or just one nut? One kind of nut.
Many no.
Yeah. Honey, is there someone singing from your neighborhood?
Yes.
Ah, it's from your neighbor?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay. So you also do that? I thought it's only just in the Philippines. All right. Anyway, honey, teacher's now going to share the screen and we're now going to continue with our material, okay? Are you ready?
Okay. I'm ready.
Yes. Okay, so teacher is now going to share the screen. Okay, can you see teacher's screen now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, last time, honey, we already had a topic about the hatching.
Egg.
Very good. We've talked and we've studied about the topic hatching eggs, honey. Okay, so we are already done with that part. Honey, what are the differences between a hen and a rooster again?
And a rooster have a long tail and a hen have a short tail.
Very good. Okay. And the rooster is taller, right?
Yeah.
The rooster is taller than the hen. Yes. And the rooster is even fatter than the hen, honey, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now, let us move forward to the next one, honey. Okay, let's answer this one again, my dear, okay? Just for a review. Where are they? Where are
The
they?
they're in the school.
Very good. What subjects do they study?
Hatching egg.
What subject? Could it be
Hatching.
science? Subject,
Hatching.
honey. Could it be science?
Big. Not.
Could it, are they studying science subject?
No.
No? Biology?
No. They're studying hatching egg.
No, honey. Subject. What school? subject is it? Here,
Đó là môn học gì ở trường?
that one.
I don't know.
I think it is science. Yeah, I think it's science, honey. Yeah. Or biology. Do you know biology, honey? Ah, no. Yes, I think, honey, biology. Do you know biology?
No.
Biology. Here.
Sinh vật học.
Oh, I know.
Yes, I think so. Okay, next. What are they going to do, honey? What are the kids going to do?
What the egg hatch?
Very good. They're going to watch the egg hatch. Have you ever witnessed hatching, like, a hatching egg, honey?
No.
Have you've never seen? You've never seen any?
Yes.
I see. Okay. Me, honey, never too. Next. First, can you read this one, honey? Can you read this one?
First, wash your hands. This helps you and the egg stay clean.
Yes. Honey, if the eggs are dirty, should we make it clean before hatching process?
No.
No. No. If you wash the eggs, it might be
Just
spoiled. Very good. Next. Oh, here we're going to have this one, honey. Can you read this one, please?
Next, mark the egg with an X and an O. This helps you tell one side from the other.
Very good. You should mark the egg with X and an O. Yeah. Okay, now. Where is the X from the O, honey? Where is the X from the O?
I don't
Behind,
know.
next to, or behind, or opposite?
Opposite.
Okay, here, honey. Why do we need to separate the two sides of the egg?
Because I don't know.
Okay. All right. Sides of, let's search that one, honey. Why do we need to separate the two sides of the eggs? Okay, honey. Separating the two sides of an egg, the white and the yolk, honey, is a fundamental technique in, oh, no. In hatching egg. Hatching egg. Hatching egg. Yeah, honey. Separating the two sides of an hatching egg, often done by making an X on the other side and O on the other for manual turning. It is necessary to ensure the egg is turned regularly. Okay, teacher's going to translate it, honey. Do you want to listen?
Yes.
Okay, teacher's going to translate it. Listen carefully. Here.
Việc tách hai mặt của trứng ấp thường được thực hiện bằng cách đánh dấu chữ X ở một mặt và chữ O ở mặt kia để lật trứng bằng tay, là cần thiết để đảm bảo trứng được lật thường xuyên, giúp ngăn phôi dính vào màng vỏ trứng. Quá trình này mô phỏng hành vi tự nhiên của gà mái ấp và rất quan trọng cho sự phát triển khỏe mạnh của phôi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is the translation clear? Yes. That's the reason why, honey, we need to separate the two sides. Okay, please read this one, honey.
Then put the egg inside the
Incubator.
incubator. This helps stay warm.
Very good. Okay, let's have this one, honey. What is an incubator, honey? What is an incubator?
Keep the eggs to stay warm.
Very good. Have you seen an incubator, honey? Yes. Okay, honey. An incubator, honey, is a device that artificially hatches fertile eggs and controlling. Here, honey. Let me translate it.
Kiểm soát các điều kiện thiết yếu như nhiệt độ, độ ẩm và sự quay vòng.
Yes. Okay. All right now, honey. What is the okay here? Are there any? Oh, please read the question, honey. Can you read the question, please?
Any note about the portion of the egg when put into the magazine?
Yes, honey. Okay. You know what, my dear? You know what? When you put the egg in the incubator, Tommy, it is really necessary to replicate the conditions of the broody hen. Yeah, here. Let me translate it. What's happening to my keyboard? Here.
Việc đặt trứng vào máy ấp trứng là cần thiết để mô phỏng nhân tạo các điều kiện của gà máy ấp, đảm bảo trứng đã thụ tinh vẫn có khả năng nở và phát triển đúng cách thành gà con trong vòng 21 ngày.
Okay. Now, honey, let's have this one. Let's have the next step.
Next, put the water inside the
Incubator.
incubator. This keeps the egg from getting dry.
Honey, question. Should we pour water on the eggs, honey, or just in the part of the machine? Where should we pour the water?
A part of the machine.
Why can't we pour it on the eggs?
Because I don't know.
Yeah, because if we pour it on the eggs, honey, the chicks won't survive. Yeah. Or maybe the eggs might spoil. Yeah, might be spoiled. All right? Here, honey, next question. Do you think that we need to add more water during the hatching process, honey? Do we need to add more water in the incubator? What do you think? No. But how about a little? Just a little. Should we put just a little?
No.
But how about what happens when it dries?
If you put a little, it will dry. If the water will dry faster.
Really?
Yes.
But we should really put the water, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we should put a water inside the incubator, honey, so that the eggs will not be so dry. But we don't put the water on the eggs, okay? All right, please read this one, honey.
If they turn the egg 3 times, this helps when chicken move around.
Honey, it's so hard to hear you because of the person singing.
The egg 3 times, this helps growing chicken move around.
Yes, okay. All right, honey, let's have this question right here. How often are the eggs turned a day? Do you know?
No.
Okay, honey, eggs should be turned in a minimum of 3 to 5 times a day, honey. Yeah. It should be inside the incubator for 18 days, honey. It should be inside the incubator for 18 days, and it should turn for about 3 to 5 times a day. So you put that you do you notice the X and the O sign here? That's your marker. Yeah. Okay. All right, next one, honey. Please read this one.
How often the egg turns? In about 3 weeks, take the egg for hatch. Finally, the chick will hatch over next day or two.
Yes, okay. In about 3 weeks, check the eggs for cracks. Finally, the chicks will hatch over next day or two. Okay, honey, what is the first sign of chicks? Tommy, what is the first sign of chicks?
I don't know.
Okay, honey, the first sign of developing chicks, honey, appear around 4 to 5 days of incubation, when it reveals the small blob of the embryo, honey. Okay? Okay, here. I am going to translate it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I will type it in the first sign of developing chick appear around 4 to 5 incubation. Here.
Những dấu hiệu đầu tiên của sự phát triển phôi thai xuất hiện vào khoảng ngày thứ 4, 5 của quá trình ấp trứng. Khi soi trứng sẽ thấy một khối nhỏ, sẫm màu, phôi thai và một mạng lưới mạch máu.
Okay? Honey, after 3 weeks, if an egg hasn't got any crack, honey, after 3 weeks, what happened? Honey,
I don't know.
think, honey. After 3 weeks, what will happen to the egg if it hasn't really cracked?
The egg, the chick will hatch.
Do you think the egg in the chick inside died, honey?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, honey. After 3 weeks of incubation, honey, if the eggs are inside the incubator, honey, and if a chicken has not cracked or shown any signs of pipping, it is highly likely that the embryo inside has died. The chick inside has died, honey, if that happens. Okay? All right, let me translate it.
Sau 3 tuần, 21 ngày, ấp, nếu trứng gà không nứt hoặc không có dấu hiệu bong tróc, rất có thể phôi bên trong đã chết.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Well, now let's go. Here. Who makes the cracks of the eggs? Honey, who do you think makes the cracks of the eggs?
Chicken.
Really? But what if they're in the incubator?
No. Chick.
Yes, very good. It's the chicks. Okay, they just pop out, right? They just instantly pop out. Right, honey?
Yeah.
Yes, that is it. Now, let's move forward to the next one. You're very smart, honey. Okay. Kindly read this one.
Wait one more day before you touch the chicken, then feed the chicken.
Okay. Wait one more day before you touch the chicks, then feed the chicks. Honey, why shouldn't we touch the chicks too early? Why shouldn't we? Yes.
Because the chick will die.
Yes, okay. Because they are still like a baby, honey. Yeah, they're still a baby and they might die. They might die from infection. Here, they might get an infection. Here.
Họ có thể bị nhiễm trùng.
Yeah, right? They may get an infection. Okay, do you think chicks are hungry right after hatching, honey?
Yes.
Yes, they're hungry. Oh, okay. Now, let's have this one, honey. Last, Find that. Okay, please read this one, honey. Please read the sentence.
Let's find them a good home.
Very good. Question. Who can they give the chicks to?
A farmer.
Farmer. What else? How about if it's not a farmer, honey? Is it okay to give the chicks to a person that's not a farmer?
How?
No, it should really be a farmer. Okay, let's have this one, honey. We have here the first word. You have to match this one, honey. Use your pen and then match. Okay?
Okay.
All right. We have, okay, please, I will let you do your job. You match everything. Okay, what is a chick? A chick is
Bird.
a baby bird. Can you say a chick is a baby bird? Can you say that?
Yes.
Say a chick is a baby bird.
Yes.
Honey, again, a chick is a baby bird.
Chick is a baby bird.
Very good. How about the crack? What is a crack, honey? What do you think
pin
is a
break.
crack?
A pin break in the surface of something.
How about the egg?
An oval object with a hard shell that is made a head or other bird.
Very good. Great job. Okay. So that is it. Okay, next one, honey. We have the next one right here. We have this. Please connect or please match.
Say finish.
Wow, that's so fast. Okay, what is a hatch?
Have it to come out the egg or something else that holds an animal inside as it grows.
Very good. Next, we have incubator. What is an incubator?
Incubator is a
Heated.
heated with
Enclosure.
animal with baby animal or their egg or place keep warm.
Honey, how do you read this one? Tell me. Enclosure. Very good. Okay. Next one. How about the incubator? How about the incubator, honey? What is... no, I'm sorry. Mark. How about the mark? What is a mark?
To write a word, number, or symbol.
Very good. That is it. Okay. Here, we have here the question, honey. To summarize, what are the list of supplies do we need to hatch an egg, honey? Honey, what are the things that we need to hatch an egg? One more time. What are the list of supplies do we need to hatch an egg? We need
a mark and what to keep
Okay, honey, we need incubator, we need fertile eggs, we need thermometer, we need a lot of things. We actually need a lot of things. Okay, in the story, honey, students hatch eggs by incubator. However, in wildlife, how do the hens hatch their eggs? Think, honey, you have to think. In real life, how do the hens hatch their eggs? know? Do you know? Okay, honey. In real life, honey, the hens hatch their eggs through a process of brooding. Honey, do you know brooding? Do you know brooding? Okay, I will translate it, honey. It's very loud right there. I can't hear you. Okay. Here.
Trong thực tế, gà mái ấp trứng thông qua một quá trình gọi là ủ trứng.
Okay. Okay, from the story, what might be the parts of incubator, honey? Do you know? What might be the parts of the egg incubator?
I don't know.
You don't know. Is this topic hard, honey? Do you think this topic is hard? Or difficult? Yes. Yeah. Is this topic difficult? I think this one is difficult. Okay, please read this one, honey. Kindly read this.
From the story, there are some animals that their eggs don't require what animal are they?
There are some animals, honey. Oh my goodness, honey. Okay. Anyway, my dear Tommy, the time is already over. Yeah, I hope you can hear me because I can hear you so clearly. Okay, thank you so much, my dear, for your time. We're going to meet again next time on Saturday. Bye-bye. Bye, Tommy.